Hey guys, Jacob's going on a fishing trip.
Alrighty guys, so today we are out going to Apple Creek. We are going to be fishing for rainbow trout, but I also have a streamer on my fly rod for some brown trout. So we'll see if we can't hook into a brown. I know there's a few of them in there. Yes, I've got another angler tracker coming in the mail. Pretty excited about that. Going to be able to use 2 of them at the same time, so I won't have to switch out based on rod to rod as long as I just have 2 rods, which I do for my fly fishing adventures. Got about 2 hours to fish. It's 2 o'clock now. See you guys on the water. Alright guys, so here's the first look at the water here. It's pretty steady, water's clear, not muddied up, so it's making me hopeful. We'll see what happens. Alright guys, we're out here on the stream now. Water conditions are looking pretty solid. Starting off here with a 3-weight little streamer. We're gonna see if we can't get a bigger fish to eat this, and then if nothing bites this, I'm gonna float it through with the egg fly. So we'll give it a shot, see what happens. Alrighty, so I give the streamer a shot real quick. Gonna trade off the angler tracker for the other rod now. So just pop that out like this. Angler tracker's here. Set your other rod down. Pick up the needle stick. And then I'm just gonna pop this in on here. Lift up that front part. Oh, glove got in the way. There you go, just like that. And now in the app, so you can see bottom left there, there's a little tackle button. Tap on that. We're gonna say the MGX. So let's get back into it, see if we can't hook into one. Been fishing for about an hour now. It's pretty cold out here. It's like 20, 29 I'd say. Guides are freezing up just a smidge. Haven't had a good take. Might have had one, but I'm not sure. But yeah, staying hopeful. Still got a few hours to fish, so we'll see if we can make something happen. Oh, that was rough. Alright guys, it's that time of the day. Here's my trip stats for what I had going on. And as you can tell by the 0 catches portion, I had 0 catches. So, not the best fishing day I've ever had, but it's pretty cold out here. Happy to get out for a little bit. Disconnect from the angler. Get that little sound letting you know that you're off. And I'm gonna end the trip here. So we will call it Apple Creek Fail. And maybe that'll just be the title of this video when it goes on YouTube. Who knows? Jake from Life Outdoors signing out.
Look at me.